What's up, Internet? My name is John Brahman, and welcome to How to Customize Fonts for Logo Design. This class is aimed at anyone that is at least a bit familiar with Adobe Illustrator and wants to know how to be able to customize fonts to their liking without being a typographical master. Customizing fonts is actually really easy and allows you to be more creative and not rely on pre-made fonts to dictate how your design looks. In this class, we're going to do a case study on a variety of different logos so that we can gather inspiration from their customizations of pre-existing fonts. Then we will use that inspiration to complete our class project, which is to customize a word for use in a logo or other medium. If you'd like to know more about me, I'm a graphic designer in Illustrator, and I've worked on a wide variety of design work over the past 12 years professionally. I now specialize in branding, t-shirt graphics, and illustration, and I've worked with bands like Blink-182, brands like Hi, My Name is Mark, and RPM Training Co., and I've collaborated with a wide variety of companies to produce my own merchandise. I've also taught over 30 classes on Skillshare over the past 5 years. But that's enough about me. So, if this class sounds interesting to you, keep watching, and let's get started.